Hello, my name is Charles Sanders and I'm a personal injury lawyer at the Rose Sanders Law Firm. And today we're going to talk about a question that comes into my office at least twice a week. And that question is, I rear-ended someone, man. Am I at fault? Or I got rear-ended. The answer is, no, you're not necessarily at fault if you rear-ended somebody. And you're not necessarily not at fault if you did the rear-ending. The person could have made a sudden and unexpected stop. Maybe many defenses to a rear end. Now, there's certain injuries associated with a rear end, such as neck problems, back problems, right shoulder problems, torn labrums, left torn shoulders, everything. Now, if you have been in a rear end accident, you've either done the rear ending or you've been rear-ended, don't hesitate to give Rose Sanders Law Firm a call at 713-221-3773. We have offices in Houston, Dallas, McAllen, and El Paso. We're serving the whole state of Texas. Now, if you like the channel, don't hesitate to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.